Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful day here in Colorado.
For now.
I'm Eli, here with your trusty Monday Memo. I know you all lead busy lives, so let's dive right in. First things first, did you know that April is Fair Housing Month? It's a crucial topic that should be on our minds year-round.
Agreed.
That's why I'm excited to tell you about our upcoming class hosted by Mariana Wagner. It's called GRI 107, Fair Housing, Diversity, and Inclusion. In this class, you'll delve into essential topics like HUD laws, disability accommodations, handling complaints, and more. The class is happening on April 16th from 8:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. For members, it's $50. Head over to our classes and event registration module to secure your spot. Staying informed about fair housing is key, so don't miss out.
I hate being left out.
Now, shifting gears a bit, let's talk about RSC's Board of Directors application. The deadline is fast approaching, Friday, April 19th at 5 p.m. If you know somebody or you are interested, don't hesitate to click the link in the description and fill it out. We're looking for passionate individuals who want to make a difference, so spread the word.
I'm telling everyone!
And speaking of updates, mark your calendars because the Pikes Peak Open House Weekend is less than a month away. Keep an eye out for advertisements on social media, streaming platforms, and local broadcasts. We want to make this comeback a major success.
Major?
Selling agents, this is your chance to encourage your clients to participate and take advantage of free advertising. Plus, if you promise free snacks, who could resist? Buyer agents, encourage your clients to check out participating homes. Who knows, this might be the weekend they find their dream home. The links for more information are available below.
I'm just here for the free food.
Well, that's all I got for this week's Monday Memo. If you could kindly like and subscribe, it would mean so much to us. And thank you to everyone that tunes in every week. See you next week. Peace.